Next to me is a smart robot cell demonstrator. In this production line, robot fill in the bottle, perhaps with some kind of sanitizer, lemonade, or medicine. We, under our iBELT service, collect all kinds of data from this production process, and our model can detect abnormalities, some kind of anomalies occurring in the process. Here is an HMI. With this HMI, I can cause a problem. For example, by creating a strong vibration to the line. As you can see, the robot reacts to the abnormal situation and skips the bottles. By skipping a bottle, it avoids machine stoppage and ensures high OEE. I would also like to bring to your attention the monitor itself. This is a new hygienic design. It's made out of stainless steel. This model has screws, but we also offer completely screwless design. Finally, I would also like to talk about our condition monitoring service. With our service, we can monitor up to 10 robots, the entire robotic line. You can observe and see real time what is the status of your robots, but also you can zoom in and see all kind of maintenance information to make sure that you can troubleshoot if something went wrong, or observe what kind of spare parts you would need to keep your critical equipment ready for production. Thank you very much for your attention.